So a lot shorter in the back?
Yeah, and then like more body and stuff on top. But I'm scared because I don't know how good I look with short hair. I don't think I look good with short hair. So that's what I'm kind of contemplating.
How inspired are you?
Not very inspiredly. You can't make... No, I'm just joking. No, it does sound really fun. But I'm just getting married, you know. I want to look good. So...
I think it'd be a good wedding treat.
I don't know about him. He might like short hair. I don't know.
He seemed into it.
Yeah, he did. But
The whole time you were looking at the computer, he was shaking his head yes.
he was?
Mm-hmm. Tell everybody bye for a second. We're totally filming. Okay.
The chair's kind of blocking the hair there.
The chair's blocking the hair, son?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. That's okay. Are you sure I just shouldn't do, like... Sure.
Go ahead. Here. That's for you.
Oh my gosh. That's a little too short there, though.
That's it.
Oh dear. I don't know.
Okay, let's see the side view.
Oh, I will. I'm going to totally give you the whole view in a second. I'll give you the brush in hopes that you would brush it into a ponytail.
Oh. I never brush my hair. That's why I just like it long, because I don't have to do anything.
Okay, well, let's brush it and get something better here. Give me.
Oh, oh dear. Okay. Are you sure, Adam? You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, who cares? It's only hair. It's only hair. It's my hair.
Just the way she said it. It's not
Yep.
fair.
It's just my hair.
What?
I don't know. Is there anything in our drinks that, you know, that made me do this?
Anything in our drinks?
Yeah.
Is that a
Like
question?
my drinkly.
You know that Draper water.
Power of persuasion.
Power of persuasion. I don't know that'll last. Huh?
Nothing.
I'll be a good missionary, is that what you said? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. That's for you.
Gosh. Are you sure?
I'm gonna get it against the white background. So let's shut that door.
Let's shut that door.
Yeah. A little better. Okay. You ready, honey?
No. Yeah.
Listen, no, yeah.
Gosh.
Well, you said you could. You said let's just do it.
You
So
got
don't
it in
change your
here.
mind now.
Oh my heck. Okay. Okay.
Is that better?
That's good view. But it was also a good side view too.
Oh, it was good? Okay, we'll leave it that way then.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Are you sure you don't mind it that short? Adam.
Might want it, you know, to see how you like it. You never know. So make it
Can
a little
I try it
longer.
a little bit longer at first?
Yeah.
These pieces down here are going to fall longer. This is going to leave it.
Oh, okay.
This is going to leave it like right there.
This is so crazy.
What did you say in the bathroom?
Oh yeah, I know.
What did you say?
I said, let's just do it.
Go ahead.
Oh my
Don't think about it. Just go.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. How come nobody else had a hard time
Okay,
like this?
Lee, hold her hair.
I will.
Okay, there. So then we can see the...
And I'll even help her complete it.
Okay.
And I'll even help you steer.
Okay. I am a brave girl, and it won't look that bad. And I can always come back to you, Lee, to fix it, right? Right, Lee?
Of course
and you
you
can help me style it?
Totally.
Of course you can.
You promise?
You got it,
Of course
girl.
you can.
Yeah, I will hunt you down if you don't need
How long is this cord?
Hmm? No, you're fine.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you want to, you don't.
Okay.
Count of
I
three.
can't even believe I'm doing this.
1,
2,
2, 3.
Am I right? Do I have it right?
Yep.
Yeah, you're perfect.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. Okay, you hit the rubber band.
Okay.
I got it because you hit the rubber band.
Gosh.
I don't want to have it
Yeah.
come undone so quick.
Sure, sure.
Okay, well, you started it because here's the piece you cut just to show you.
Oh my gosh.
So, what I'll do before it all falls out is I'll just do some more for you. Totally the rubber band out of my way.
You're gonna look totally way cute.
Mm-hmm. It looks better already.
Oh my gosh, I'm in more love.
No, he's not.
Dude, you're a total model. Ma, a doll. Yummy.
There's a total model do.
It totally is. Michelle. Michelle. Oh my cute. Look at me now. Dude, you are babe.
Let's go over to the
Babe-licious.
back real quick.
My hair's gone.
Okay, let's just see your hair.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Okay. Show it right in front real quick so we can finish it up.
Okay, turn towards me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're acting like you're missing this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Michelle, you look so good.
Okay.
Are you sure?
You look so dang cute.
It's cute already.
It really is.
I wouldn't fit to you.
It's gone, no. That's okay.
Listen to her. It's gone, but it's okay.
I have no idea what this looks like.
This will be even better than Crystal's.
Listen to him. This would be better than Christmas.
It already is. Dave, the video. Dave.
Oh my gosh. I've really chopped my hair off.
Dude, you look so good. You do.
I really come here. You promise, Adam?
Oh yeah.
You promise.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
not just saying that because
You
I'm
are
on the
gonna
verge of
love it.
breaking
You are.
down?
You're gonna,
You are
no.
gonna totally love this.
She's
You
totally
really
freaking
are.
right now.
I am way freaking. I can't even believe I'm doing this. How did this happen?
How did this happen?
Mm-hmm.
We were watching a video. That's how it happened.
I was watching Crystal, and what was that other girl? And it was the music.
The music.
It was totally the music.
It was subliminal, huh?
It was. Oh my gosh. Never in my life.
What? Did you imagine doing that?
Ever.
Okay,
done
well, let's
this.
get a cape on you so you don't get hair all over you. I just
Yeah.
decided. I'll have you change your shirt when we shower you.
My gosh. I don't have any hair though.
She's like,
That's okay. It's okay. I trust you, B. I do.
well, you better trust me. If
I
you don't
do
trust me,
trust
you're in
you.
trouble now.
You look so good.
Promise, Adam.
Totally.
I think people are going to totally freak when I see you.
Nick's like, he said he'd kill, but who cares?
Is that what he said?
Nick and Ryan.
Nick
were
said
like,
he'd kill
"Don't."
me if I didn't kill her.
Oh my.
He'd kill you if you didn't kill her?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I don't know.
I think it's white cute.
It totally is. Especially with your hair color.
Yeah,
Oh.
that makes a big difference.
It really, really does.
Most people don't even realize it. Are you okay over there?
Mm-hmm.
Listen to her. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You better be.
My dad's not this. He always wanted short hair for me.
You did.
Did
Yeah, I was like, no, 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 no.
What, he always wanted you to cut your hair short?
Uh-huh.
You know what you can tell him? That's your wedding present to him. You look really good. Hmm?
I'm like, no.
You're numb?
Yeah,
Why?
because I'm in shock.
Because you're in shock? Is that what you said?
Mhm.
Why are you in shock?
Everything's okay.
Why are you in shock?
Because I've never, ever, ever done. Oh my gosh.
All I'm doing is just getting some of this off real quick. So we can just wash it. Finish it up. What?
It's crazy. But that's okay. Lots
Why
of
is it
girls do
crazy?
it. Everyone's doing it.
Everyone else is doing it, so why can't you?
Yeah, that's right.
What's your sister gonna say?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, she always hated. She was always talking about my hair, how high schoolish it was. So.
Is she older or younger?
She's
Younger.
How much younger?
Oh my gosh.
How much younger?
I don't know. She's 6 years.
I want to get the.
Oh, you wanna?
Yeah.
I'm a mover.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. I'll totally do that so you can see. Okay, lean it down.
Oh my
Lean it
gosh.
down.
Okay, this will be a first for Michelle.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
just catching the
That
edges.
feels so weird.
Doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Listen to her. Ooh,
Me and I
yeah.
feel it every time.
Lean it down more. There you go. The more you lean your head down, the less it cuts.
Oh, really?
Okay, okay.
I didn't know that. Because the hair's...
Because the hair's falling forward against your head.
Interesting.
Oh my gosh, my mom's gonna kill me.
Why?
She does not like short hair.
Doesn't
It
she?
doesn't?
I don't think so. Because I was telling me to keep my hair long. Oh my
Oh, no.
god.
That's a good time to think of that, Michelle.
That's okay though. That's okay. Everything's okay. It's all good.
If not, I'm in trouble, huh? You just made my life a whole lot easier for doing your hair for your wedding.
Uh-huh.
You just made my life a ton easier.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it is where you want to get the expressions on her face.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, it feels weird by my ear.
What?
It feels weird by my ear.
Mm-hmm. And you're done with it?
I'm so proud of you.
You're proud of me? It's probably that long day of work. I'm just a little delirious, maybe. Thanks, Adam. You're very supportive. You'll make a great hubby.
Oh, he's a cool guy.
He is. He's awesome.
You scored. You lucked out.
I did. I did.
Why can't that ever happen to me?
Yeah, well,
I can't ever find the right
I
guy.
didn't think...
No.
I seriously thought that... Never meet anybody like Michelle.
Aww.
She's got an adventurous spirit, too, so I guess that's something you like about her.
Totally.
Because this is totally adventurous.
Yeah.
So what made you finally decide, okay, let's do it? You can tell the whole world now.
Because I kind of always wanted to, like, have a cute hairstyle, so just my long hair all the time.
Mm-hmm.
It's always been like that in high school and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't think I look good with short hair. So,
So you would never do it because you thought it didn't look good. So now,
I don't want to see
Now
it.
that-
So now you're a bathing beauty.
so now that you've totally...
Heck.
Trick.
Straight?
Yeah, like that. Perfect. She's like, totally. Did I just do this?
Uh-huh.
You'll wake up in a few minutes.
Yeah. Oh my.
You'll wake up in a few minutes, don't worry.
Whoops.
Just punch me, it's okay.
Oh man.
How does it feel?
Way short, way light. Like Crystal said.
She's like, totally. I'm not used to that feeling. Okay, keep your head down for me. Keep your head down.
Michelle, you are
Yeah.
gonna love it.
You're totally gonna be...
I can see my shadow.
You can see your shadow, is that what you said?
Looks like a mushroom head.
You look like a mushroom.
I think.
Whatever.
Oh my goodness, no. So much for keeping still.
Oh, sorry.
You remember when I got my hair wet and spiked it up
Uh-huh.
the other night?
Yeah.
Nothing like that.
Oh, I was tired.
She's like, Alright, tell everybody bye. I want to watch it.
I lost mine.
Okay, it's working.
What?
Oh, I guess you're gonna have to vacuum it.
What?
Yeah. Okay, no gum chin.
No turning like that again.
Oh, whoops.
I'm totally holding her hair in my hand and scissors in the other hand, and she starts turning her head, and her hair that I'm holding in my hand gets longer and longer. I'm like, I'm about to cut this piece off. No turning your head like that. Okay, let's show everybody with the jobs coming out like now, this is where you get to hear his reaction, because this will be cool.
Looks good.
Looks good, huh?
Looks way good.
Better than it did before, huh?
Looks very beautiful.
Very
stunning.
Beautiful.
Just like that wedding ring.
Yeah, did you get a zoom of that? That's totally permissible.
Probably won't have a better chance.
When filming your wife getting her hair cut.
Oh,
Flash the
I
ring.
get to show the ring.
Extreme close up.
It's 27 carats. It weighs about the same as 27 orange carats, you know, the little mini ones.
Yep.
And then you get down just a little bit. There you go. There's a good shot of the back.
Yep.
It's an A-line cut. Comes down to the middle of her ears on both sides. And then, this is the front. Look. Way, way cute. But I gotta know what she thinks. I don't want to talk all the time.
No, it's different. It's fun though. I like it.
Well, let's journey over here.